Today's lesson is on adding and subtracting decimals. To add and subtract decimals, simply line up the decimals, add 0 as placeholders if needed, and then add or subtract vertically. Let's take a look at some examples. In the first example, we are going to take our 3.5 and add 8.2. You can see I lined the decimals vertically, and now I'm just going to add. 5 plus 2 is 7. Bring your decimal straight down, and 3 plus 8 is 11. Our final answer is 11.7. In the next example, we have 6.3, and we are adding 4.89. Right above the 9, you may add a 0 as a placeholder and add vertically. 0 plus 9 is 9. 8 plus 3 is 11. Bringing the decimal straight down, we needed to carry the 1 from the 11 and add to get 11.19. In the third example, 2.56 plus 0.3. Again, you can add a placeholder of a 0 right there, and then add vertically. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. Bringing the decimal straight down, and our 2.86. Let's take a look at some subtraction problems now. In the first example, we are going to take 7.2 and we are going to subtract 2.65. Again, adding that place value of a 0 here will definitely help you. We cannot take away 5 from 0, so we do need to borrow from this 2, leaving a 1. This becomes a 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. I cannot take 6 away from that 1, so again I have to borrow, and the 7 becomes a 6, while this becomes an 11. 6 taken away from 11 is a 5, bringing the decimal straight down, and 6 take away 2 is 4. So 4.55 is our answer there. In the next example, 4.23, we're going to subtract from it a positive 3. Since you don't see a decimal here, there is one after that whole number 3, and you may add placeholders in these positions. Over here, we're going to end up with 0.23, and 4 take away 3 is just 1. In the last example, 14.8, we are subtracting 3.6. 8 take away 6 is a 2. Bring the decimal straight down. 4 take away 3 is 1. And bringing down a 1, we have 11.2. So when adding or subtracting decimals, the most important thing is to make sure your decimals are aligned vertically, and from there, just add or subtract. And that's it.